everyone, welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to compare the Chinese makeup and those makeup of brands to Korean popular makeup. Let's see the differences. This one is off-brand. I'm going to try this one first. The links are in the description box. So I'm going to compare this palette to the Etude House. I like those packaging, it's so much cuter. So let's see the colors. I really love the color in this palette. So it includes wine, peach, pink, and purple tones. The pink tone close to purple. Those are my color. I really like it. You can see that the color is pigment, so I need to remove the colors and try another color. The next one is the mix of wine and brown, and the next one is shimmering pink, a lot of lighter. This color can be the base. This is like a champagne pink. This one is like light brown as base. Those two colors is very similar, dark brown. This one is brown. This color is a mix of wine and purple. Very beautiful colors. I just have to clean my fingers every time. I like all the colors so far. This one is more like rose, close to the brown. This one should be the chocolate color. This color is the mixed purple and brown. Lots of colors. Look at my arms. The next one is like shimmering green with a little bit purple, orange, very light orange. You can use this one as base color. This one is lighter. The next one is nude. This one is super light, very close to my skin color. You can hardly see the color. Next one is purple, shimmering purple. Right here. The next one is like a bright orange, close to red. It's not shimmering red. The next one is light shimmering purple. Those two are very similar. So in this palette, it has 18 colors. Brown, can use it as the base color. When you swap the powder is smooth. See my whole arms. Shimmering brown. The last one is, look, very strong color. So that's all the colors from this palette. Very surprised that this palette is stronger than Etude House. Yes, I like all the colors. Okay, let me do it on my eyelids. Hard to find a palette that has the pink, purple, orange, and this palette has a lot of colors. The packaging feels pretty smooth. I have never swapped those. Do it here. See the color, it's very light. And the next one, this one should be hard to see. Orange and wine. Next one is a lot of lighter. This one is the beige. Next one is the orange. So this one's too light. And the shimmering, my favorite color in this palette. Very light shimmering. This one probably the darkest. But I just want to compare the differences. So in the daily life, I prefer to use the light color. The light color gives more natural looking. I remember last year when I reviewed the Etude House eyeshadow palette, some people say that the one I got is fake because the color is very light. And when I received those products, the shipping label, it shows shipped from Korea. So I believe those are real. Just test all the colors on this arm. It's not pigment, so this color is pigment. let's compare this palette to the Etude House. So some colors are darker than the Etude House eyeshadow. It's definitely lighter than this one, Dreamland. I used those eyeshadow, applied this makeup. It's looking pretty natural. I love it. Two pink color are very bright, so I mix the pink color with the brown, so it turned orange. I'm surprised of this white eyeshadow. This one as good as the Etude House bling bling stick. I used this one on this eye. I used that one here. The color is very similar. See the color, the shimmering color. Look, very similar, almost the same. I'm quite surprised. So this eyeshadow stick is from this box. So in this box I only like one color. The other 4 colors are very light. I will definitely keep this one. This one is quite good. See the result is very similar. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really love this one. I love almost all the colors in this palette. For me, I prefer light eyeshadow for daily life, pigment eyeshadow for like videos or for photo shoot. So for this month, there will be some cosplay videos and fashion videos and makeup. Bye, I'll see you next video soon.